Welcome to Forensics Detectors. I'm Dr. Kaz, your gas meter gas detector, and today, folks, I am your ozone detector expert. Ozone O3. Ozone, made of oxygen molecules. I love ozone because it is the most unique, the most elusive gas on this planet, folks. Ozone does not exist naturally. We have to generate it. We have to make it with lightning and all these other funky and fun things. Ozone is a very interesting gas, and it finds applications in disinfection, sanitization, for waterworks, for wastewater, for indoor environments, and many other food, beverage. I could go on and on and on. I get customers calling every day from different industries using ozone for these very unique and fascinating applications, and they need to detect ozone for a few different things. They want to see how much ozone is produced in a certain situation. They want to check if there's any ozone leakage. They want to check for personal protection. But in this case, today I am presenting our high range 0 to 100 ppm of ozone. It's a high range, folks. This is not a normal range, okay? OSHA exposure limits is much less. It's 0.1 ppm. We are talking about 0 to 100 ppm of ozone. You may be doing a research and development project that you need to detect ozone in that range, or you have some type of generation of ozone, or you have some type of ozone for water waste treatment, and you need to make sure you're hitting your ozone target, or for sanitization and abatement, again, to kill the fungus, the mold, the bacteria, etc., etc. There are many applications that require a high range 0 to 100 ppm of ozone, and this is the guy for you. Okay, at the front here we have the sensor that detects the ozone. The sensor element is at the front, and it gives you the resolution in 1 part per million. Now, Dr. Kaz, I need to detect 200 parts per million. Well, you have to give us a little email and we will build you the 0 to 500 ppm, 0 to 1,000, 0 to 10,000. We do many custom product projects for yourself that require the higher range, but they are very, very small in volume. That's why we don't actually list them on our website, but we can do that. Just make sure you're confident and you're not going to exceed 100 ppm. If you think you will exceed 100 ppm, folks, get one that's 1,000 ppm. Make sure you have enough headroom, okay? Otherwise, you're going to poison the sensor. Then I get the call saying, Dr. Kaz, I think something's wrong. It's not working because we've exposed the sensor to higher levels than 100, okay, folks? You see what I'm talking about? If you're confident you're within 0 to 100, get the 0 to 100. If you think you're going to go over and there's that small few percent chance, please get a higher range. Email us and we'll custom build that for you, okay? Now, this has a brother. We have the 0 to 20 ppm. As you could see on the website, we have the 0 to 5 ppm. Understand your application and purchase the correct one, okay, folks? If you're not sure, ring a ring. We're here to help you. You that have the questions, we're here to help you. That's why we're here. Well, look, we're not buying these things every day. They're not donuts, they're not lollipops, they're not candy, okay? Sometimes we need assistance, and that's why we are here to help the customer, folks, okay? Now, look, let's give it a little demo to see how this works. Look, we have an ozone generator, okay? This guy generates ozone. We press the little button over here, okay? And it generates ozone. Now, I could smell it. It's very high concentration. It's over several hundred. I'm not gonna stick this right on the sensor. I'm not gonna blow it out. So what you have to do when you're using this ozone generator to do a little bump test, you have to put it sort of close by and then flick it back, okay, folks? You don't wanna keep it holding it there and then you're gonna, blow out the sensor, okay? You just wanna give it a little tap and you wanna see it bump. That's what a bump test is. You just wanna bump it enough where the alarms are triggered, okay? Bang. That was right there, a bump test. I didn't exceed 100 ppm and I gave it a little bump. This is the guy, we sell this also at Forensics Detectors. It's another little invention by Dr. Kaz to make ozone bump testing very easy. Nothing like this exists on the market. And there you go, Dr. Kaz again, innovating, inventing, and doing his crazy things. Okay, that's basically, now what do you get? Okay, you get the detector in a nice cardboard strong box. It comes with the manual. It comes with your calibration certificate, which is very important. We calibrate to our special ozone NIST calibrated generators and analyzers here in Los Angeles, folks. Ozone needs unique equipment for calibration. You cannot buy ozone in a bottle. It doesn't work that way. No, ozone is a unique beast. I explain it on our website. I actually have a little piece on that on our website. It comes with your calibration cable and your cap. This is used for calibration. You may need to calibrate it or deliver air to the unit. So in other words, this is a cap. It clips onto the front over here, okay, folks? And you may pump air onto the sensor with a remote pump. Some people do that. Some people don't need this, so don't worry about it. But please do not put it on and then take ambient measurements. That's not what the cap's for. The cap is only made for forced air delivery pumping, okay? Most of us will use it just like this, okay? And it has obviously at the back here, has a little clip to clip on your man. Okay, that's basically it. Now, again, I stress, we get many emails about the ranges. We're here to help with that. This is a generic high range, 0 to 100, again, for the 10th time. I hope you can appreciate that. And again, if you're still not sure, we're always here to help. Till then, be well, be safe. See you soon.